Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps and allowing location access so maps can pinpoint you. Tap the location dot or the compass to center the map on your current position. Once done, use the search box at the top to type an address, place name, or coordinates. Maps autocomplete suggestions as you type. Make sure to sign in if you want recent searches and saved places synced across devices, which speeds up future lookups. You now choose the most relevant search result and tap its place card to see details like address, hours, and photos. To verify, switch to satellite or street view for ground-level context and pinch to zoom for finer visual cues. If the spot isn't exact, press and hold to drop a pin. The pin shows precise coordinates and a share button so you can send the location via message or save it to a list. This reduces guesswork when navigating. You finish by tapping directions and picking your mode: driving, walking, transit, or biking, and then start navigation with voice guidance if desired. To keep the spot, tap Save or Label so it appears in your lists for later. If location is off or incorrect, try toggling GPS, switching Wi-Fi on or off, or restarting the app. These steps often recalibrate position. If problems persist, make sure Maps has location permission and that your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.